Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how to prepare your lemongrass for winter use. So let's go ahead and head to the garden and use a shovel to take out the lemongrass from the soil. Then I use a knife to cut off the root before I take them inside the house. Now I'm trying to clean all the lemongrass wedges by cutting the root off and take all the outer leaf out. Then once you're all done with take all the outer layer out, cut them together about 4 or 5 inches long from the root to the stalk, and then set aside and continue until you are done with the lemongrass. After you're done, we'll go ahead and rinse or wash the lemongrass really well because there are a lot of dirt on it. So clean 3 to 4 times until it's all clean and the water are clear. Then we'll put it into a bowl, then set aside. Repeat the process until you're all done. This is how it looks after done cleaning. Now I will clean the leaf. I will wash them really well, 3 to 4 times. We also use the leaf to make stir-fry, soup, stock, and tea, anything that you prefer. So let's continue cleaning until you're all done with all the leaf. Then we'll come back and I will show you how to wrap the lemongrass. Alright, now we'll go ahead and wrap the lemongrass. I will grab about 5 or 6 leaves and then fold it about 3 to 4 inches long. Use your other hand to hold the end of the lemongrass and then use your dominant hand to hold the end of the leaf and then wrap around to your other hand around your thumb and then make a hole. Try to get the end of the lemongrass leaf to get through the hole and then secure that to make sure it doesn't loose, and cut the end of the leaf. Then there you have it, the lemongrass wrap. When you're wrapping the lemongrass leaf, I recommend you using gloves because the leaves are pretty sharp. It might cut you like a paper cut your hand. So if you're not okay with that, please use gloves to protect your hand. So let's continue until you are done with the lemongrass leaves. When you store the lemongrass, you can use a vacuum seals or you can just use a regular Ziploc bag and then put it into the freezer. I hope you get the idea of how to prepare and store the lemongrass. Until next time.